Okay guys, surely I'm not the only one who hasn't seen a purple crab. Like, look at this queen. She is glowing. Anyways, hello, another day at it. Today is 1 month of our travels. Absolutely amazing. It's gone so quickly. Loved every second of it. Here we are walking out, about to catch this absolute crown. No, I don't know much about fishing, but we've got to give it a go, don't we? Anyways, there's a few that Darcy's caught. I'm about to throw it out. Little do I know that I'm going to catch an absolute little queen. Beautiful water, as we do. But may I add, it is an experience. Darcy's just trying to keep me sanely reeling it in without myself getting absolutely scared by the one and only. Like, look at its claws. It wants to attack me. Oh, anyways, I caught her having a little happy dance and about to cook her up. Having a happy dance because there is a pizza you are witnessing, a bit crispy, but there is the meat out of the queen. The dishes I had to clean up as usual, and we are back on the road again to see a coastal town, Albany, that we have been to. But before that, having a shot of apple cider vinegar just to do the good to me body. And then we are back out in the sun with my sarong on, and yes, trying to get Darcy into the water is a bit of a task. Anyways, we got him back in the water, and upon request, I wanted a little spa on the beach, in which he decided to start building. But no, there was no water in there, which was a bit of a shame. But no, we soaked up the sun, got a bit of vitamin D, enjoyed it all. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And I ended it up with having a shower that I had to turn on with my bloody foot. So yeah, thanks for watching.